Anastasia and the Crow. Anastasia is a little girl. She lives in a house next to a forest. She has a special friend. Her friend is a crow. His name is Shadow. Shadow is black and very beautiful. Every day, the crow visits Anastasia. He flies to her window. "Caw, caw," says Shadow. Anastasia goes to the window. "Hello, Shadow," she says. She is very happy to see him. Shadow is not in a cage. He is free. He flies in the blue sky. Anastasia gives him seeds every day. Shadow always brings a gift to Anastasia. He carries small things in his beak. He brings leaves, shiny buttons, or even coins. Today, he has a small amber stone for her. Shadow eats the seeds. Anastasia takes the gift. "Thank you, Shadow," she says. She puts the gift in a little bowl with the other ones. Anastasia pets his head. "Caw, caw," says Shadow again. He likes it. Shadow flies away. He goes to the tall trees. He disappears in the forest. "Goodbye, Shadow," says Anastasia. She dreams of flying too. One day, she wants to be in the sky.